Hi friends, in this video now I am going to discuss about AP Circle previous paper, that is nothing but BSNL TTA 2013 previous paper. In this paper now I am going to discuss about part 1, that is nothing but general ability test. In this there are totally 20 questions, maximum marks are 20 marks. The first question: the present chairman and managing director of Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited is dash. Options are A. Rajesh Kumar Upadhyaya, Rakesh Kumar Upadhyay, Kuldeep Goyal, D. nothing but Gopal Das. According to the four options, the option B, Rakesh Kumar Upadhyay, is right answer. But the present CMD of BSNL is now Anupam Srivastava. Anupam Srivastava. Okay. Coming to the second question. Dash is the father of Indian telecommunication revolution. The father of Indian telecommunication revolution is Sam Pitroda. That is nothing but option A. Nothing but option A. Next, the third question: 2G licenses of the following telecom operators are cancelled by Supreme Court except in these 2G licenses. Some telecom operators were cancelled by Supreme Court. There are nothing but MTS, Telenor, and Videocon. But Reliance is not cancelled. So the answer is Reliance. Okay. Next, the fourth question. 160-year-old telegram service will be discontinued from dash date. The telegram service now it is discontinued, and the date is nothing but 15th July 2013. Option answer is C. Okay. From next and next question. Fifth question: in the 2012 London Olympics, dash and dash won silver medals for India. All of you know about this. That is nothing but Vijay Kumar and Sushil Kumar. Okay, option A is correct. Next one. Sixth question: as per Forbes list of highest paid athletes, Indian cricket team captain Sri MS Dhoni stands at dash position. His position is nothing but 16th position. 16th position. At present, the youngest chief minister of a state in India is. It is very simple question. Nothing but answer is Akhilesh Yadav. Akhilesh Yadav. Next, eighth question. The winner of 2013 US National Spelling Bee contest is nothing but Aravind Mahankali. Aravind Mahankali. The Prime Minister of Pakistan is. All of you know about this. It is very easy. The Prime Minister of Pakistan is nothing but Nawaz Sharif. Nawaz Sharif. Next, the 10th question. Synonym of word astonish. The synonym of word astonish is nothing but surprise. Astonish is nothing but surprise. Okay. Coming to the 11th question. Coming to the 11th question, the most similar meaning of the word comprehension. The most similar meaning of the word comprehension is nothing but knowledge. Comprehension is nothing but knowledge. Antonym of word overlap. Antonym of word overlap. It is very easy. Nothing but separate. Antonym of overlap is nothing but separate. Next, antonym of word rejuvenated is nothing but tired. Nothing but tired. Fill in the blank question. That is, we tempted him with many promises, dash nothing would work on him. That means we tempted him with many promises, but nothing would work on him. So the answer is C. But university is dash to announce results of degree examination. It is very simple. University is yet to announce results of degree examination. So answer is B. Next, 16th question. The acid rain occurs when the atmosphere is heavily polluted with. Acid rain occurs when acid rain occurs. Nothing but there are some oxides are heavily in atmosphere, that is nothing but sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. The answer is C. Next, World Consumer Rights Day is observed on nothing but 15th March. 15th March. Next, 18th question. The Dandi March was led by. It is very simple question. The Dandi March was led by Mahatma Gandhi. Option A. Next question. One vision, one identity, one community is the motto of DAS International Organization. It is nothing but ASEAN International Organization. Next, final question. Playing or singing time of Indian national anthem Janagana Mana is. All of you know about this. The answer is 52 seconds. Okay friends, all the best. In the next video I will discuss about basic engineering section. Okay, thank you friends, thank you.